My name is Shiva Subramaniam. I am the Chief Executive Officer of Hyderabad Cricket Club, a sports marketing company. I live in Aparna Sarovar Grande in Nalagandla, Hyderabad. I came to Citizens Hospital first in 2017 for a gastric problem, essentially an acid reflux problem, and also I had a major weight loss. I came to see the gastroenterologist Dr. Sharda P. And before that, my acidity had been troubling me for the last 2 years. I was diagnosed with major vitamin deficiencies. I also had IBS. I had also lost close to 12 kgs of weight in the last 6 months. First and foremost, what Dr. Sharda and the hospital did was they conducted the right tests, so which no other hospital had done before. So first of all, apart from normal test, they actually went in for a test which required to find out whether my food was getting digested properly or not, and through that we found that I had a deficiency of pancreatic enzymes and hence I was losing weight. So she first started me on that in parallel with treatment for the acidity and IBS. We continued the treatment for close to 1.5 years before she slowly and brought me down in terms of the dosage of the pancreatic medicine, and in 1.5 years I was completely free of those medicines. After that, the doctor started treating my acidity and IBS, and she quietly, slowly and surely made sure that I came off the medication. Today I am very happy to say that the acidity is almost gone. I just take the tablets maybe once in a month or in a SOS situation. The IBS is also gradually coming down. Most importantly, I would really like to appreciate and thank Citizens Hospital for the entire way that they had conducted this by proper diagnosis. First, they undertook the pancreatic enzyme test. Then they also did a proper endoscopy to rule out any other issues, and regularly they ensured that through proper checks everything was kept in control. Now, as we all know, last year was a very tough time for everyone, including the patients, the hospitals and the doctors. But even during COVID times, Citizen Hospital ensured that through video consultation, first we were able to consult and the treatment did not suffer. After the doctors started seeing patients physically, the hospital observed a very strict protocol. I remember that when I first came post-COVID, sometime in August, the hospital had a very strict protocol. It ensured that everything was observed, and including the fact that the doctors were not sitting completely in an air-conditioned room. The windows were open. They were wearing all PPE kit, and we were also actually not letting without a mask or proper equipment, and we were very reassured by this entire issue because at that time COVID was at its peak. So really thankful that even during the troubling times of COVID, Citizen Hospital and its staff made sure that we were safe and also the treatment did not suffer. Finally, I would like to thank Dr. Sharda, entire Citizen Hospital staff for whatever they have done in terms of the entire way of treatment, the way they have methodically and systematically gone about this entire process and given me back, my normal life. And I have also recommended Citizen Hospital to a lot of other friends and family who have also come and benefited from the treatment. Thank you once more.